Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Adobe Premiere Pro lag. So let's jump right into this video. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to File, and here we have to look for File, and then we have to look for Project Settings, General, and then here make sure you have selected Renders, and here you selected Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration. And then the next thing is you have to right here, I think it's called graphic settings. Yes, and here make sure you look for Adobe Premiere. All right, and if you have Adobe, once you locate Adobe Premiere, if you can't see here Adobe Premiere, what you have to do is just click on Browse here and go exactly to the location where Adobe Premiere is located and add it to this list. And then you click on Adobe Premiere, click on Options, and you select High Performance. It's very important. And the next thing is also make sure you go to Windows here, and here what you have to do is go to System, Storage, and make sure you delete all your temporary files. Now this can help if you haven't done this for a very long time. So if you haven't done this in a very long time, make sure you go to temporary files and remove all the files here. This can help. And obviously, when you're editing, make sure you close other apps as well. You can also go to Task Manager, and here look for Adobe Premiere, and then go to Details, and then here Adobe Premiere, right click and set priority to high. So now Windows will prioritize Adobe Premiere over any other application. So that's a good idea. And also, if you have like 8 gigabytes, make sure you upgrade your laptop, your computer with 60 gigabytes, because that's the minimum requirement. I mean, 32 is the best place to be. But yeah, that's another thing that you can do to fix lag. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.